How to rearrange home screen pages on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to rearrange home screen pages on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your iOS is up to date. To do that, you just simply go to settings and then scroll down and look for general and click on general, click on software update and then wait for it to load. Whenever it shows an update like this one, make sure to click on download and install it later on. So, for example, let us assume that you have updated your iPhone to the latest iOS. What you're going to do now is to go back to your home screen, press and hold to the spaces of your home screen. So again, don't press on the apps, but press on the space of your home screen, like right here, or wherever it is. So press and hold, and then click on this button right here. So what you're going to do is to click on it and not drag, because whenever you drag it, you will just transfer your screen. But whenever you click on it, as you can see, all of the home screens will be, all of the pages will appear. So to rearrange it, just press and hold onto one page and then transfer it to wherever you want, like this one. So transfer it like that, then press and hold and transfer it right here. So that's it. That's how you can rearrange home screen pages on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.